GNUS brand stock update. Okay guys, so I haven't published a video on GNUS brands for it's been just under 2 months. We have some really exciting news. So not nearly as exciting as the most recent news talking about revenue for the latest quarter. That was up big, but we have a really big development. So I wanted to simply create this video to let you guys know what's been going on, kind of give you guys a update on what I've personally been doing with my shares, and some forecasts and some price predictions in the future. So if you guys enjoy my content, be sure to smash the red subscribe button to receive video updates from me, and be sure to give this video a thumbs up as well. Hope you guys enjoy this content. So let's get right into the major news, guys. So we have over here the GNUS Brands Kartoon channel launches in Spanish. So as you can see, this was a press release that was literally announced on Thursday. Today, depending on when you guys will see this video. And it says, Casey and Espanol bring Spanish language children's programming to the Kartoon channel. So this was published. It says, today announced a new Spanish language content service for children on its streaming platform Kartoon channel. This follows Kartoon channel's Tuesday announcement that is now available on Pluto TV. So actually, yeah, there's two announcements this week. So the first one is that Kartoon channel is now launched on Pluto TV. But I think this one is very interesting, okay? So first of all, as you guys know, if you guys live in America or you've ever been to North America, you know that basically there's basically two main languages, okay? Between Canada, United States, and Mexico, you basically have English and Spanish. So I think this was a natural transition by offering Spanish language programming. And myself, I learned Spanish when I was in school, and I do speak pretty fluent Spanish. So I think this was an excellent transition to kind of just, catch all of those, people that live in North America but aren't necessarily speaking English as a first language. This will add, I think, a lot of new eyeballs. And like I said, the Latino demographic is one of the fastest growing demographics in North America. So it makes sense to offer kids and families content that caters to that specific demographic. So we read a little bit more. It says, with Casey and Espanol, the Kartoon channel expands its current platform to serve the Latinx children's community in North America. The new Spanish language children's program will reside on the main Kartoon channel platform and function as a sub-brand of Kartoon channel, much like successful Kartoon Classroom. So, and this is straight from the president of the Kartoon channel. It mentions, not only is this the right entertainment and culture move for Kartoon channel, also makes good business sense as well. Today, 26% of kids in the U.S. under the age of 5 are of Latinx heritage, the number expected to grow. It says 83% of Latinx audiences are streamers versus 73% of non-Latinx audiences. And finally, the Latinx audience in the United States more than doubled. Digital ad spend has more than doubled from 2015 to 2020. It's estimated at $1.5 billion. So, this isn't even the main catalyst that I was personally holding GNUS brands for. Okay, for me, the main catalyst is Shaq's Garage, which is coming in Q2 2022. So Shaq's Garage launch is about 6 months away from now. And if we take a look back, at the GNUS brands, we can clearly see two key support levels and resistance levels. So the key support level over the long run, as far as this year is concerned, okay, has been right around $1.30, and then the resistance levels have been $3. So you could have simply just bought near support, dumped at the top. So you could have bought here around 130, sold at $3. And you could have done that twice this year. So right now, other than those two huge high resistance levels, we had our previous new high of $2.13. But right now, I think a lot of people have gotten bored with GNUS brands. The volume is way down. Okay, the volume is just like a couple million shares a day. This is a nice green candle. Okay, and I think that this is definitely going to get a lot of interest. After this was announced, the stock is finished up. It's up a pretty big green candle. And, in the past, when we've seen some pretty green candles, we've seen some nice bullish runs. Okay, we had a nice bullish run here, back here. Obviously, in the beginning of the year, here we had a slight run up as well, and a small run up here. So usually when there's a decent news announcement, I think this can really attract a lot of traders to GNUS brands. So personally, what I haven't done, I haven't sold a single share. Okay, I probably should have. I probably could have easily dumped. my shares at $3 and just bought it back cheaper. In hindsight, that's probably what I should have done. But me personally, I'm not the best at timing the markets. Okay, I've done well with timing the markets on some of these EV stocks and EVTOL stocks like this. But for Genius Brands, the stock is like $1.40. So for me, it doesn't even hit the main catalyst that I'm looking for in terms of Q2 22 in Shaq's garage. So for me, I'm just still in accumulation mode. I'm still building my position. I'm still adding shares. I think that this is an excellent point to add. I'm taking a look at the RSI. It's bounced nicely off an RSI of 30%, and this is going to really increase the viewership. Okay, you know, with the addition of Arnold Schwarzenegger's superhero cartoon, kindergarten cartoon, superhero kindergarten that was launched earlier this year, that really increased the viewership. Okay, revenue is up with the company. This is going to increase the viewership even more. They're doing more distribution deals, and when Shaq's Garage launches next year, I really think this is going to help take Genius Brands finally past these previous resistance levels of around $3, and we're going to be okay. So right now, Genius Brands is still a very small cap company. Okay, the market cap is under $500 million. So even if Genius Brands were to hit a market cap of, say, a couple $1 billion by sometime next year, I definitely think this stock does have massive upside. And if we back up here, we can see that, you know, obviously there was a big spike here. Now, this was right when the Kartoon channel was announced, and that previous long-term resistance level is $11. And perhaps there are a lot of people that are bag holding from these levels. So, you know, me personally, what I think is that so many things have changed since last summer when the Kartoon channels announced, okay, they finally launched more content. They're going in Spanish language. They're distributing content across more platforms. They finally started publishing episodes of Arnold Schwarzenegger's cartoon. They're going to have Shaq's cartoon. Even Robert Gronkowski, okay, Super Bowl winning tight end for the Tampa Bay Patriots, he's jumped on board as well. So things are just getting better. I think, honestly, this is definitely going to be one of the higher risk stocks out there. But it just has so much upside, and it's got a lot of good celebrity talent and a lot of smart people behind it, and it's founder-led as well, okay? CEO of this company, Andy Hayward, founder, and founder-led companies do tend to outperform outperform non-founder-led companies in the long run. So I don't want to be impatient. I've been waiting this long. For me, you know, like I said, this is just a stock that I'm just going to just keep buying and buying and buying. Once Shaq Cartoons launches in Q2 22 next year, I probably will stop buying and just see how it rides out. But for my next target price prediction is simply to break out past these previous resistance levels. So I do think there's about 2x upside in this stock heading up towards Q2 of next year. So that means around 2x to maybe 3x upside within the next 6 months. So if you're looking for a quick swing play, you're probably not going to find it here. But if you're looking for a cheap penny stock trading at around $1 that is going to profit from the change in consumer habits, more and more people, especially the kids, okay, a lot of these kids, a lot of them, they're only going to stream. They're not even going to have much of a relationship with cable TV or standard TV or anything like that. They're going to be streamers for life. So I really think that this is the transition that most people are going to make in the future. Kids are definitely the future as well, and they're already going to make it. And then once, you know, they'll grow up and have their own children, things like that. So I really think the Kartoon channel is here to stay over the long run. And I just think that this is definitely one of those rare penny stocks where you're seeing at $1 that could be trading at $10, $20, $30, $40 in the long run. So like I said, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I just wanted to quickly give you guys a news announcement. Haven't sold a single share. I think it's a nice buying opportunity. It's not financial advice, but there's not too many stocks out there under $2 on the NASDAQ that I'm really interested in, but Genius Brands is one of the few ones. So just thought I'd make this update video for you guys, let you know what's been going on with the company and what I'm personally doing with my shares. So that's it until next time, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed my content, please smash the red subscribe button, smash the like button as well. Let me know, guys, what do you think about Genius Brands? Have you been bag holding? Do you think that this stock is going to run back to $12 anytime soon? Let me know what you think in the comments, guys. So until next time, take care.